Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be whipping together a quick and easy meal that even the kids can help us make. These air fryer pizza muffins really hit the spot. Let's start by slicing the ham into strips and cut the English muffins in half. Then add half a tablespoon of pizza sauce and spread across the muffin with the back of the spoon. Start from the center and circle around until you reach the edges. Then we're going to get a little bit cheesy and follow this with a layer of ham. Next, let's add some pineapple. This is some excellent sweetness to cut through some of the salty flavor on this pizza. Let me know in the comments which side of the fence you sit on when it comes to pineapple on pizza. Then we'll top with some more cheese before sprinkling on some spaghetti seasoning. Then place it in the basket and put it straight into the air fryer. Set the air fryer to 195 Celsius or 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Once the waiting game is over, remove the basket from the air fryer. The cheese has started to brown, is smelling absolutely fantastic. Serve up and chow down, but be careful, the contents may be hot. There you have it, easy as pizza pie. These air fryer pizza muffins are an easy crowd pleaser. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, follow us on social media, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.